Deep frying a turkey is dangerous. We're going to show you how to do it safely. Here's what you're going to need. A deep fryer, and that needs to be set at least 10 feet away from your home or any other structures you don't want to burn down. It needs to be on solid, flat ground, not on wood, not on vinyl, but on concrete, stone, or asphalt. You're going to need oil. A high temperature oil is a good idea just in case things get out of hand and you don't want it smoking too much. You'll need a fire extinguisher, of course. Hopefully you won't need it, but you might. Better to have it. You'll need safety glasses or goggles, some gloves to prevent splashes, and then of course you'll need to take the temperature of the turkey. We've got a 12-inch straight Pro Series probe for monitoring our oil temperature the whole time. That's just going to go on the edge of the pot. And then we have RFX for monitoring the interior temperatures of the bird throughout the cook. And then of course the last thing that you'll need is a turkey that is properly thawed. And by properly thawed, we mean no ice crystals left inside that bird at all. We like to thaw our bird in the refrigerator. It takes 1 day for every 4 to 5 pounds of turkey. This is a 12-pound bird. 3 days of thawing should be good, but when you take it out of the fridge, you want to check and make sure there's no ice crystals left hidden in the cavity. We have dry brined this bird before cooking it, and we've injected it to get flavor into the muscle tissues. It's really hard to get anything to stick to the bird while it's deep frying. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the turkey into the empty pot, and then we're going to fill it with oil until the turkey is covered by a couple of inches. We will then take the bird out, leaving the oil in the pot. That will make sure that we have the right level of oil in there. Then we'll heat it to 250 degrees, kill the heat, turn the fire off, put the bird in the oil, turn the fire back on, and heat it to 350 degrees while we monitor the turkey temperature, and it should be done in about 40 minutes. We're using peanut oil because of its high smoke point. We're never going to leave this turkey unattended while we cook it, but if something happens, you want a high smoke point oil so the oil doesn't start tasting really bad if it gets a little too hot. Now that we've got our oil levels set, we'll take our turkey out and heat it up. This is a messy step, but it's essential for doing it safely. We're going to take our Pro Series probe here and insert that. There we go. Keep an eye on the temperature. Our oil has gotten up to temp, 250. We've killed the heat on it. We're going to probe our turkey, put it in, turn the heat back on, and go. I'm probing in the breast and in the thigh. I'm trying to hit the thermal center of this bird, like so. And then, there we go. That's the deep part of the thigh. So, goggles on, gloves. And I want to just point out again that the fire is turned off at this point. If any oil goes up over the side when we put this in, which it shouldn't, but to be safe, the fire is off. There we go. Beautiful. And now we're going to relight our fire and shoot for 350 degrees. I've set the chef alarm 350 degrees for our high oil temperature. If we get up that high, we'll adjust the heat to try to keep it right at that range. Our temperature has reached 157 degrees. We're going to pull it out and verify with the thermopen. This is a clean tray. I found a temperature is 148. Oh, lower than that even. So we're going to move that. I found temperatures that were lower than the 157 we were looking for. So I repositioned my probe until I found one of those lower temperatures. Now we're going to put it back in the oil, continue to cook. And we've turned our burner off while we've taken the turkey in and out so that we don't light ourselves on fire. All right, we've hit 157, and this time we know we're in the colder part of the breast. We're going to take it out. We'll kill our oil heat. Grab our sanitary tray, and there we go. All right. We'll verify with the thermopen just to be on the safe side again. Yep, 158, 157, perfect. So we're gonna let this cool for just a second, take the probes out of it, and carve it. There you have it. Perfectly cooked, golden brown, beautiful, smells delicious, cooked safely with RFX and chef alarm. This is what it takes to do it the right way and not endanger your health or your home. Until next time, thanks for watching, happy cooking, and happy Thanksgiving from all of us at ThermoWorks.